Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's go have fun in Ghana together. I got to the airport and I was just trying to check in my bags and all because I was already pretty late. At this point I have landed. Sorry, I could not record anything from Nigeria airport because it was crazy. But we're in Ghana. Let's have fun. Hi guys, we're in Ghana now. I'm getting ready to head out for breakfast and then head out to my first activity of the day. Let's go.
Sold out for you. I give it everything that you need. And give me just one chance. Baby, take my hand. Heart's in motion for you. Across the ocean for you. No matter what we're going through, always gonna be me.
First off, let's head out for breakfast. I forgot this.
Into the deepest sea, soul is sold out for you. I give you everything that you
Hi, good morning. Sorry, what way to the restaurant?
Give me just one chance.
Thank you. So we're headed to the restaurant now. A little and cute space. Hi. Good morning.
Turn me up. Hey, turn me up.
Oh, okay. I don't think anything like that.
Aren't you freaking gorgeous?
Thank you, ma. You're so gorgeous too.
Wait a minute, are you from here?
No, I'm from Nigeria.
Oh, you're from Nigeria?
Yes, I'm visiting.
Taking a vacation?
Yes.
What a place to vacate.
I'm telling you, it's so peaceful here.
Gorgeous color. Give me a hug. I just love you. Just a tiny little hug.
Thank you. Nice. Hello, good afternoon. Hi guys, so we're already at Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. We've got our ticket and we head into this Beautiful sight. It's so beautiful. Like the history behind it and everything is so beautiful here. Honestly, you should visit it when you come to Ghana. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. Reviewing some street food. Sorry, I said it. So this is beef, and then this is like sausage. Really nice. But I like the beef more, so I'm going to listen the beef. It's a bit strong. Good, so small struggle doesn't count, right? Yeah, see you.
What's it?
Hi guys, I'm on my way to Aburi
surprise.
Garden. Yeah, that's how it's
Say, say.
pronounced. Aburi Garden.
Of course.
So on my way to Aburi Garden, I quickly stopped by at the mall to get ice cream because I mean, why not?
If I was you, yeah, we the best to do it, baby. We the best to do it, we the best to do it, baby. Got a hat trick, that 3 shorties on the daily. My mind gone, I just crashed a new Mercedes. Took a picture with a bitch, now the whole thing she famous. It's bye bye, little baby. I'm in a trap on like Jordan, like we in the 80s.
Made a mistake, and now it's all bad. You could put the blame on me, but baby, can we run it back? You've been running through my mind, and you're still in my dream. Baby girl, life without you just ain't as good as it seems.
So this is the famous Aburi Garden. And walking all the way there. So beautiful here, guys. It's so beautiful. Aburi Garden. So we are going inside the main garden. So see ya. Hi guys, so after savoring up the beauty of Aburi Garden, it was time to try Ghana jollof. So I'm about to try the Ghana jollof and tilapia fish, and I'm going to give my honest reaction. It's a bit dry. It's another day. Yeah, we had fun yesterday. Today's 10th August and it's 7:30 already. And I'm having breakfast. Then I'll get ready to head out. No. Oh, I nearly fell down. It's not even funny. Like, it's not funny. But we are here, right? And we're gonna make the most of it. This place is fucking far. Fucking far. Okay. See you guys. I am trying Koseni Meko. Yeah, I'm trying it. Koseni Meko. I think I'm on another one. Oh my god, this is good. I want another one. This is really good.
No, it's like I'm in here because I'm already done.
So I'm about to go try fufu and light soup. I just came back from Asanema waterfall and I had serious cold. I had to stop by the pharmacy to even get drug for it. And I feel better now, so why not? Let's go out and try. So here's the outfit. So, see ya. Mama comes here. Let's go try some light soup. I got to Mama Cuisine, but it no longer sells fufu and light soup. There's been a change of ownership at the restaurant, but they're super nice. The workers, they gave me their Wi-Fi and directed me to a place where I can get fufu and light soup. So I'll be heading there now. So I just want to take 2 shots here, then we go. So I could not get to fun like soup at Mama Cuisine, but they told me to go to somewhere called Asmiria. So I'm heading there now. I hope I get to fun like soup there. Let's see, because I'm already so tired. So let's try. I like soup. So I think it's quite expensive, but let's see if it's good. Maybe. Thank you so much. Thank you. Fufu and light soup. Like I'm literally speechless. I don't know how to start, where to start. So am I supposed to fetch? Then what of this?
This is ginger.
I'm supposed to add them.
Yes, add a little bit. Then okra makes it a little bit easier to swallow.
Okay.
So a little bit of meat and then.
All right. Thank
Use your hand, or if you want to use the spoon, you can also use the spoon.
but hand is
Yeah, with the
better.
hand, yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Not the light here is making my video a bit crazy. I mean, I don't know anything to do. So the first thing I got is there's a lot of fish going on. Like, I think they burn a lot of crayfish into this fufu soup, whatever. It's nice, but it's green pepper soup, but there's no pepper for me. It's okay, it's fair. I think I prefer this to the jollof I tried yesterday, so I'll give this a 6 over 10. It's good. Alright, see you guys. Let me get my food. Bye. A what?
Special breakfast tea.
Bracketed tea.
Breakfast.
Wow.
It also helps with the system.
So it helps in digestion.
With the system as well.
Thank you.
Are you with me now?
Thank you. Hello, good evening. No, Skybar.
Yes. Do you have a reservation?
No,
You can walk in.
thank you. By the side?
Yeah, 25th floor.
Thank you. Yes, to Ghana. Holy shit, Hello, good morning. My last day in Ghana. I can't wait to get home at this point because I've been feeling very sick since I went to the waterfall. But then it's been great. Ready for breakfast. Then after breakfast, I have to get souvenirs because I haven't gotten that. So I have to get souvenirs. Then head to the airport. Bye. After shopping for my souvenirs and gifts for my loved one, I got back to the hotel and packed my bag. It was like 3 something and check-in started from 3, so I couldn't wait. I had to go to the airport and check in and rest at the airport lounge while I wait for my flight. Because at this point I could not wait to be home so I can get treated properly. Yeah, we're in Lagos and Ghana owes me nothing. I had fun on my trip, even while I was a bit sick. I had fun. But we're back. See you next time. Bye.